If the Constitution only protects real Americans, why does the government keep arresting everyone else? There's a meme circulating on social media claiming that the Constitution wasn't written for the world. It was written for citizens only. Not immigrants, not criminals, just real Americans. The problem is, that's just a bumper sticker with delusions of grandeur. Sure, one part of it is technically true. The U.S. Constitution isn't a world constitution. Congratulations, you've successfully read the title of the document. But then comes the faceplant into fantasy. Non-citizens and criminals don't have rights? That's not patriotism. That's a bogus slogan dressed up as law, hoping that nobody checks the receipts. The Constitution doesn't talk like cable news. Most of the time, it doesn't say citizens. It says persons, over and over and over again. That wasn't an accident, because rights aren't membership perks. They're chains on power. And the courts have been clear on this for over 2 centuries. Many constitutional protections apply to all persons under U.S. jurisdiction, citizen or not. And if you think non-citizens aren't under U.S. jurisdiction, ask anyone who's ever had ICE kick in their door just how fast jurisdiction suddenly shows up with a badge and a battering ram. Let's talk about originalism for a second, because this is where the cosplay comes in. Originalism isn't history, it's ventriloquism. Dead guys, old wigs, modern opinions, and somehow the founders always seem to agree with whoever's holding the microphone. And criminals don't have rights? False. Criminals are the entire reason we wrote the rules in the first place. If everyone behaved, we wouldn't need the Fourth Amendment. We'd just have a suggestion box. Criminals don't lose rights. They lose personal liberty, but only through due process. Because the founders didn't say innocent until proven guilty, unless we're mad. They said limit the government first, because someday it will be mad at you. If your freedom only works when the government likes you, it's not liberty. It's a hall pass, and the teacher always takes it back. My issue with the meme is that it wants to argue slogans instead of structure. The Constitution was designed to stop kings. Mission accomplished. But now we've got donors, algorithms, career politicians, and lifetime referees with no rule book and no timeout clock. Different monsters, same cage. So if rights only belong to real Americans, who decides who's real? Because once rights depend on identity instead of principle, they aren't rights anymore, they're permissions. If you want the Constitution to say something else, fine, rewrite it. That's what a modern constitutional convention is for, restoration. So which do you want, American Spring or American stagnation? Drop your take in the comments and share this if it roasted a sacred cow, because that was the point.